Mount Gox is a huge question that is on the minds of everyone that is in the crypto market. Is this a bullish thing? Maybe no one thinks that. Is it a bearish thing? Many people think that. There's a lot of panic and there's a lot of fear and FUD revolving everything that is Mount Gox related. So I'm here to make sure you understand what does this mean, my views, and if you stick until the end, I will make sure you understand that maybe there's a good chance this might be maybe very short-term bearish, but longer term bullish. So stay until the end. Trust me that I have something installed for you. Let's dive right into it and to my thoughts right now. Here we go, the presentation. So Mount Gox, is it bullish or is it bearish? Oh, and before that, forgot to present myself. Jomo from the No Edge, No Trade crypto channel where we talk all things crypto trading. Just making sure that you know that. Like right now this video, subscribe to my channel because I'm on the way to 1,000 subs. I know it's not a lot and you were like, man, I don't need even to help him because he's so little. But please do, give it a courtesy to make sure that you help me, and as well, maybe you'll learn a thing or two because my lives and all the things that I put out there are really educational and will make you 100% make you a better trader and a better investor. So do that right now, and don't forget to smash that bell notification because sometimes I put real-time trades on videos and you don't want to miss that. So do that right now and comment on this video. What do you think about Mount Gox? So getting back to the presentation, sorry about that. Mount Gox, bullish or bearish? Let's dive right into it and see what does this mean first. Maybe you don't know, maybe you do, but still, I want you to understand. So first, I want you to understand this is happening right now. I know this has been on the talks for a while, but already Kraken, one of the top exchanges, has received Bitcoin from the Mount Gox trustee for payouts anticipated in the next week or two. So this is already happening with Kraken being one of the first ones receiving from the Mount Gox trustee money, and this will proliferate. This will happen more and more. So this is undergo. This is going, right? So you don't sit on it. This is going now, right? So what is going now? If you don't know, the Mount Gox hack happened in 2014. They lost roughly 950,000 Bitcoins, but they were able to get back 140,000, which in today's price is roughly, depends on the day, $9 billion worth of Bitcoin, right? That's, I think, almost triple, between double and triple of what Germany has sold in the last few days. And you saw what Germany has done, right? So we're going to talk about this in a second. So this is what Mount Gox is, and it's undergo, right? It's undergoing right now. Don't slip on it. It's undergoing. This is a thing. It's a thing, right? Let's start with the bearish argument, right? Because we always like to start with the bearish thing. I told you, wait until the end to listen to the bullish argument because I'm leaning there. I'm leaning, there's something about it. There's something about it, right? So, first thing, what's the bearish argument? That all creators will sell at once, just sheer volume. You know what happened with Germans selling, $2 to $3 billion worth of Bitcoin in a couple of weeks? We saw we saw a downhill move, all right? A big correction, 28% correction for peak to trough in BTC. Not hefty as in the past. Bitcoin had 40, 50, 60, and 70% corrections. So 828 is not much, but today it's a much bigger asset. So therefore, its 28 is quite big. Imagine the Nasdaq going 28% down in just a couple of weeks. No, so that's big. So it moved big. So Germany has impacted. So if this is twice or triple times the amount of Germany, what happens if all of them sell at once, all right? That's the thing. Let's move to the second one, and then I will talk about this again. The second fear is that there will be a market panic. If they will start selling, the sheer volume will create a domino effect and more people will start selling, more stop losses are going to get hit and so on, and it will kind of be a domino effect that will take the market down and everybody's going to be panicking and fearing, oh, Bitcoin is crashing and blah, 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 blah. All that, right? So these are the two bearish arguments. Now, just to make sure I'm explaining the first one, this can't really happen because not all creators are going to get everything at the same time. This is going to be starting, this will be distributed in the next 2 or 3 months, all right? So there is time. And from I think like only half of this is going to go to creditors, 25% to funds, and another 25% to different exchanges that won't, these coins won't get really on the market just yet. So only 75% can get into market, right? And it will take time, so 3 months. So the sheer volume, the all creditors sell at once, is kind of debunked, right? Kind of debunked. The market panic, if the first one, the sheer volume, is debunked, so a big market panic like, oh my God, everyone is selling, let's right now, I don't think it's going to happen, because yes, you might get some selling pressure, short-term selling pressure from people that want to sell now and get their money after 10 years, all right? But that won't provoke a market panic, because I don't think everyone wants to do that. That's my 2 cents. And now, after talking about the bearish arguments, I hope you understand this, I want to talk about the bullish arguments, all right? And this is the important part, because stay tuned, I have something important to say. First of all, OG's knowledge, I call it. So everyone from 2014 that have been waiting for their money, maybe they bought some more coins, maybe they have accumulated more coins along the way. They're OGs. They've seen all the market cycles, how they have euphoria and then crashes, and euphoria and crashes. So do you really think that all of them are going to want to sell Bitcoin right now in the middle of a new bull market cycle where we did not even get euphoric? Yes, some of them want people that need the money maybe, and maybe they sell half of it. I don't know, because they need money. I don't know. But think about it. These are OGs. They know how the market cycle works. They probably bought some more Bitcoins, all right? Maybe Ethereum. So this is actually, they're just getting more of something that they already want. So this is a bullish argument. The bullish argument is actually just negating the bearish. Just these are people with knowledge about the market. So the probability of them just selling in the middle of a bull market is lower. So the bearish argument of sheer volume and panic and OGs selling, everyone selling at once. No, OGs probably won't sell everything at once. And even though I told you it's distributed into a few months of giving back the funds, not only that kind of debunks the argument, but this OG knowledge as well debunks that, I believe. And now the second bullish argument, which I think is the most important one here, really important, and that is rotation. I think that something might happen. I think that all the people, all the OGs that are going to get their Bitcoins back, because back in 2014 it was everything Bitcoin, okay? And they're getting Bitcoins back. They're going to rotate. Some of it they're going to sell a little bit. Some of it they're going to remain in Bitcoin. But some of it, I don't know how much, is going to rotate into altcoins. Think big altcoins, ETH, Sol. Think meme coins. Think something that they're being dabbling with, new type coins. So I think some of it is going to rotate. So not only that from 100%, only 50% goes to creditors like retail creditors, 25% to funds. So from that, imagine 20% maybe will be selling, all right, only 20% of that. So from 75, 20%, that would be like 40%-ish of everything is going to be selling pressure maybe. Some of it is going to remain in Bitcoin, right? Let's say another 60%, and another 20% or maybe more of that is going to be rotated into altcoins. So that's a bullish argument I want you to note. I think this is good for altcoins. I think that this might actually increase altcoins valuations. I think people are going to rotate. This is something that not many people are talking about. You've heard it here first on the Jomo Crypto Trading channel, the no edge, no trade, and I think this might win. Yes, I don't know the future. I'm not a clairvoyant. Maybe the bearish argument wins. I don't think so, because I've told you already the logic behind the distribution, how long it takes, the OGs. Market panic probably won't happen. So with everything, with all the data over here, my view is that this rotation is actually going to happen. All right, I think rotation is going to happen. And even if we do have some short-term pressure of selling, I think it's really short-term. And for the longer term, this is going to be really, really good for the crypto market. And you will see that once the fears of people, they're going to sell and whatever, are going to be kind of diminished, because they're going to see that people got their money back in Kraken, but nothing is really happening. Boom. confidence in the market, boom, more Bitcoin buying, boom, rotation, boom, altcoins, and boom, 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 new all-time highs. That's how I see things unfolding, all right? That's how I see things unfolding. All right, everyone, not anything else to say. I think this is it. Please understand, hope you understood what I'm trying to convey over here. Again, these are my ideas. This is what I think that might happen, but these are the probabilities. Nothing is certain. Now, if you like what I had to say, what do you need to do right now? Like, subscribe to my channel, comment, tell me what you think about the Mind Gox. Push that bell notification, and if you want to, maybe if you just want to, right, join my trading club, a trading service that I do. What you need to do is click on the link in the comment or in the description, and you will go to my website in Patreon, and you can choose any tier possible. Become a free member if you want. You don't get a lot, but start, then choose a tier. Hey, I can get you from where you are right now into being a successful trader, a successful investor. I'm doing it all the times with all the people that I'm coaching. It's amazing. It's an amazing process, and I'm waiting for you over there. So come, I'm waiting, and until next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers, everybody.